All right, number 10 also deals with slopes, so it's kind of like number 9, but let's read through it. The Buttrell family is going on a road trip. I think we'll probably go up to Lambeau to see the Hall of Fame for the Packers. Anyways, the graph below represents the hours and distance traveled. X is hours, Y is distance in miles. So I know you guys can't see me, but I like to, on my graph, where it says X is hours, I like to label hours there. And for the Y, I like to put distance there just so I don't have to look back at the problem all the time. And then during which interval was their average speed the greatest? Sometimes these problems are difficult, sometimes they're relatively easy. I like to make sure the graph looks like it's to scale, because then you can maybe get rid of some of your choices right away. Because it says, when is average speed the greatest? Again, that's slope, and greatest would mean steepest. So as we look at the picture, I kind of think the first one from 0 to 4, or maybe the last one from, looks like 9 to 11, appear to be the steepest. But rather than just guessing which one's the steepest, I'm actually going to figure it out here too. So this ordered pair is 4, 14. So over 4, up 14. This one, of course, here is 0, 0. And then these two, it looks like I'm over 9, up 24. And the last one looks like it's 11 and 40. Okay. So again, if it wasn't to scale, so when I say that, if these were different or these were different, I'd probably check every point, but I'm just going to look at the first one and the last one because they look to maybe be the steepest to me. Now you can either do change in y again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or since you have the graph there, you could just go up and over and kind of count. So that's kind of how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to start here. We went up 14 and over 4. So that would be 14 fourths, which hopefully you guys realize is 3 and 2/4, or 3 1/2. Right? Check me if I'm wrong. What do you think there, Bobby? We good? All right. And then this one, we can go up and over as well. So we're starting at 24, and I'm going all the way up to 40, so that looks to be 16. And then I go over from 9 to 11, which is 2. So change in y over change in x there is 16 over 2, which would be 8. And 8 is bigger than 3 1/2. So I'm going to say from the 9th hour to the 11th hour, or letter D.